17th of November 2023. About 9:15, 60 degrees, maybe a little warmer. And we're heading across the top end of Georgia over to northwest Georgia this weekend. We're going to my daughter's house. We're going to Vicky's house. We're going to try to catch some of my grandsons, a couple of my grandsons' basketball games, my granddaughter's softball games. She's going to be playing in Dalton this weekend, and we're going to be checking out vehicles for sale. So let's see what this one is. Yellow's not my color. If it was a four-wheel drive, and I might entertain it, but we'll check it out and see what they're doing with it here. Now, I don't think this sign is going to be accurate. He may still have that 97 F-150. I don't know, but I've got a feeling it is gone. I think this sign is just for this little Ranger. He's asking $4,500 for it. It's 2003. Runs and drives good. A little oil leak, hot heat, 4.0 V6, two-wheel drive. Overdrive does not work. Asking $4,500 or best offer. Call or text 706-347-4744 if y'all can't read that, if you're interested in it. Looks like it's in good shape. It's got a trailer hitch on it. So we're going to be stopping as we go over to northwest Georgia. If we see several more things, I can still got to check on that Jeep Grand Cherokee from last week, but we'll upload some of this stuff on the way over. Right here on 129, outside between Arcade and Athens, you got a little sawmill. I guess they'll sell to the public. They'll probably do some custom cutting for you. I've been talking about a sawmill, but neither one of us knows anything about cutting, a saw, that kind of saw, or a sawmill, or how to dry lumber, or anything else. Just be talk. I've always wanted a blooming sawmill. I tell you what are we gonna do next? Okay, we're going to stop by Bobby up here. It's at Southern Fried Rides and see what he's got. He's got Frank's old Econoline van running and looking good. Boy, I wish I'd gotten that thing now. Frank basically gave it away. So we'll go by and see what he's got. I like Bobby. He's a good guy. He had that Burnouts and Barbecue last year that I got video of. It's pretty neat. And he has he specializes in unique and interesting stuff up here. He's always got something very interesting up here. And we'll go by his place right quick. And this is right off of 129. If you're coming from Athens, you'll turn right here. If you're coming from Jefferson, you turn left on New Kingsbridge Road. You come up here and take the very first left. I wish I'd gotten the drone out last year when he did the barbecue and burnouts, but I was trying to video, and I probably should have got the drone out. It probably may have made better video. I don't know. He said he was going to have it again. I think it was last March, so it'll probably be this March, coming up March. Yeah, then turn left at that first road on the left to come down here to dead end. His inventory looks like it's down. I don't know what all he's got right now, but there's the picture. You can see his phone number right there. Vintage Cars, Trucks, and Parts, Southern Fried Rides. Look at that old Mercury. Okay, let's cut it off for a second and we'll get out and check it out. Yeah, that's where he has his barbecue and burnouts. You have a food truck, Barbecue, beer, and burnouts is what he said. It was a good time. If we stop everywhere and look at these vehicles as we cross, we may not get to Vicky's until sometime into next week. There's a little bitty camper over there. Well, gas jumped from, I got gas at Walmart in Athens or Oconee County over there for $2.44 the other day. Now it's jumped up to $2.79, $2.80 something. We're going to get gas probably at the Kroger down here in Jefferson because we do have 70 cents a gallon off. And we'll probably go ahead and fill up. Okay, we're going to cut this off until we find something else as we go down the road. We're going to turn right, headed towards Jefferson, left to take you to Athens, and right will take you down past through Arcade and then into Jefferson, or the bypass. If you take the old 129, it'll take you right through Jefferson. Okay, let's cut this off. Looks like there was a wreck here. There's all kind of trash over there. Well, what a hole there. Yeah, look, old Mercury Monterey thing looks great, doesn't it? I forgot what model year he said it was, maybe a 51, 52, 53. And I think he put it on YouTube, Facebook. I think he says this has a Y block. And I'd never heard of a Y block. Come to find out, they're pretty popular. Or, you know, the Fords were. 1954 Mercury. I think that's a good looking old Mercury. Got an El Camino here. And then this is Frank's van. Or was his van. But this is a Econoline super van. He put some wheels on it. Frank said it was running when he cut it off. So I'm sure Bobby got it up and running, looking good. Like I said, Bobby's always got some very interesting stuff here. Like I said, his inventory is a little bit low right now. But y'all need to check him out if you like this old vintage stuff and interesting stuff. He'll always have something that's, you know, unusual. But I like that old Mercury. I don't know what he wants. I think he said 10,000. A nice looking car. Okay, let's cut it off and we'll head on our way. Okay, coming up on the Kroger and the Publix down here, we're gonna go ahead and fill up with gas unless it's just too expensive at the Kroger. We got about 60 or 70 cents off. And I don't know if we're gonna go across or go down 85 and cross, or go across. If we go across and stop at everything for sale, we won't ever get over to Vicky's. This weekend, like I said, we're going to try to catch basketball, softball, work, you know, get Vicky squared away with her motorhome, let her get out in it and test drive it maybe first of the week. Probably not going to have time this weekend, but let her get reacquainted with her motorhome in case when she gets ready to hit the road, she can hit the road. And we'll be checking out a couple of more things up here at her place. I want to get a better video of the barn, get it uploaded, so that'll cue y'all in as to what we're doing. We'll get video up around Somerville and in that area again this weekend. Rome, maybe over Cedartown. I don't know. We're just all around Northwest Georgia. So it'll just cue y'all in as to what to expect this weekend and first of next week. So we're going to go ahead and be getting this one uploaded, because we're going to get on, I don't know if we're going to get on 85 or not, but we're going to go ahead and start uploading this one. What is gas? I didn't even pay any attention to it. How much is gas today? It's usually a little bit higher here than it is in Athens. $2.89. We'll go ahead and get it. Okay, this will wrap it. We'll go ahead and upload this.